Stay in your own lane there, Brad. Isn't that what the young people say? Stay in your own lane.
You wouldn't know.
That was awful! Hi, it's Mindy with Patriot Health Alliance. And today, I've got a treat for you. To celebrate the new year, I've challenged my husband, Brad, to a 2023 New Year Smoothie Taste-Off. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna win.
Yeah, well, we'll see about that.
Before we get to that, be sure to hit the subscribe button on this channel and tap the little bell right next to it. We have more videos just like this one, and you won't want to miss them. Okay, so here's how this works. In today's challenge, Brad and I will have 2 minutes to create 2 of the healthiest, yummiest smoothies we can. The kicker, we have to use the ingredients that are being covered by this towel.
Wait, so we have no idea what we have to work with?
No idea at all.
You don't know either?
No, I don't. The only deal is we have to use 1 scoop of Patriot Power Greens. Are you ready?
Ready.
Start the clock. You're going down.
Quit looking at what I'm doing.
I hope yours overflows.
It might.
You're in my way. Okay, I am going to use strawberries.
I am banana here. I like peanut butter. Peanut butter?
I was gonna use peanut butter.
Gonna have to wait.
I used some blueberries because you know I love blueberries. They're so good for you. Great antioxidants. You don't even know what Patriot Power Greens taste like, do you?
Yes, of course I do.
Well, I don't believe you. It tastes so good.
You need to make sure you get more protein in there. You're doing a fruit smoothie, huh? Yogurt makes it a little creamier.
I told you to stop watching me.
I'm the cook around the house anyway, you know that.
Just because you cook unhealthy stuff. Uh-oh. Leave it to
There goes
Brad.
the carrot. Guess I'm not using that carrot. Kale.
Look at you put kale in.
Of course. What, I'm not healthy?
No. You mean to tell them this true you? No, you're not.
Oh my, that's good. Protein. Let's see. Mine is definitely going to be a little better. Mmm. Oh, that's colorful.
All right, are you finished?
One more blend.
That's not gonna make that thing taste better.
I think it's ready.
Just to let you know, I want you to see my space and then look at Brad's face. He had to use a towel because there was so much mess here. Just to let you know.
All good chefs cook that way.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Mine is delicious.
You want to try mine?
Sure.
You're going to like mine better.
Okay. I hate you.
I like mine better.
It's good. Darn it!
So I'm the winner?
You're the winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay, the smoothie gods have spoken here. Clearly, you're the winner.
Mine was way better though,
It
to
was
be
so
honest.
much better. You know, he's made smoothies at the gym for like
20
25 years. And I didn't even think about that.
I was looking
until
at what
right
you were
now.
putting into it and I was like, oh my God.
That's not very nice.
You're recording.
That's so not very nice. Okay, so which smoothie do you think sounds best? Let us know in the comments. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, to your health. Cheers.
Cheers.